A little bit about the world history of tobacco is that it originated in the Americas back in the first century. Tobacco itself has been scientifically proven to have started growing around 6000 BC. Around 1 BC, the Native Americans began to use tobacco in their religious ceremonies and as medicinal purposes. Around 1492, Christopher Columbus discovered the Americas in the Bahamas and was given a gift of tobacco from the natives there. He brought that back to Europe and started the Europeans, or introduced tobacco to the Europeans around 1496. Around 1800, French soldiers serving in Spain noticed that the poor citizens of the area were smoking the leftover cigar ends that were on the ground from the richer class citizens. These poor individuals then took the cigar ends and wrapped them in paper or newspaper that they would find and would smoke the tobacco in that form. And that is when cigarettes officially became a product and a way to consume nicotine.